In this video, I am going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of Canon Maxify GX1020 Mega Ink Tank printer. It's a good printer for home or office use. This is a wireless printer. It can print 15 black pages per minute or 10 color pages per minute. It has 250 sheet capacity for the paper tray. It can do automatic two-sided printing. This printer can print 3000 black pages and 3000 color pages. Let's do the unboxing. This printer comes with the 4 ink bottles and it uses ink number 25, black and color ink. You also get leaflets with the setup manual, and here we have the Printheads and the power cable. So black and the color Printhead is here and the power cable. This printer comes with the 4 ink bottles, 2 Printheads, 1 power cable, and also with the paper that gives all the information regarding this printer, and we can also do the setup using that. So let's start with the setup process. Remove all the plastic tape. Plug in the power cable, connect it at the back of the printer, switch on the printer. You can lift the screen and click on the power button. Go to the printer display panel, select your language, confirm it, enter date and press OK. Also confirm the time. If you want to enable the automatic updates for your printer, you can enable it. Next step is to install the Printheads, and we have to fill the ink tank. So lift the door, lift it from here. We can just lift it down, and here we can see this area we have to install the Printheads. Press the lock and then this section will open. Now remove the Printheads from the packing. Remove this orange seal. Place the black Printhead just here. You just have to insert it here. Automatically it will settle in its position. Go for the color Printhead. Remove the Printhead seal. Now press it down and it will lock itself. Go to the display panel and click on the next. Lift the door and it will close itself. Go to the display panel for further instructions. Next step is to install the ink. You can lift this from here. Press the lock button and this will open the chamber. So we will start with the yellow. Now you can remove it. Close this and go for the next. So press it down, it will open. Next is magenta. Remove this bottle. Close this and go for the next. So this way we have to fill all the ink tanks and the whole bottle will go in. Remove this bottle. Close it. Go for the next. remove the black bottle, close the cap and close this section. Now go to the display panel and press on the OK button. Next step is to load the paper. Paper tray is here. Adjust the size. You can load up to 250 pages in the tray. Adjust it and then you can close this. Go to the display panel again and confirm. So press OK. OK again. Click on the start printing for alignment. It's going to take around 12 minutes. Paper output tray is here. You can just pull it out. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the next. Click next again. If you want, you can agree with the terms and conditions, or you can click on the do not agree. This is regarding sending the data. So right now just going to don't agree. So device information will not be sent, and click on the next. Printer setup is complete. Now you are ready to copy. Click on the next. Do you want to connect a computer or smartphone to print? If you want, you can do now. So for that, click on the yes. Next step is to install the Canon Print App. But before that, we can click on the exit and then click on the finish. This will give you the main screen of the printer, and we can start using it for copy function. For doing the printing and scanning, we have to do the wireless setup, and then we have to add the Canon Print App in our smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. For wireless setup, click on the setting icon, printer setting, select LAN setting, click on the Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi setup, select the second method, manual connect. It will search for the available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network. Select use one router only. Press OK. Select first MAC address. In this section we have to enter the password. So you can just select alphabets, numbers, like this. Once you enter the complete password, press OK button and then click OK again to apply the password. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, it will display the Wi-Fi signal on the screen. Next step is to go to your smartphone. Download the Canon Print App. You can download it from the App Store. In the app, we have to add the printer. So click on the Add Switch. Click on the Register Printer. Wait for the printer to appear. Select Canon GX1020 series. Printer is installed. If you want, you can just try to print something, or you can close this window. Close this as well. It will display your printer and you can start using it for wireless printing and scanning.